I'll define another variable called layout inflator. Say it layout inflator. We need for inflate our custom student layout. Now let us implement our methods. Get count. I return our list.size and IDE return position. Okay. Last method get view. Here is our main method. Here we bind our data into student layout. So here first we have parameter position, which we need to position of a student in our list. View, which is our student layout, and view group parent needs for inflator. Okay, so first we define converter view equal inflator layout inflator dot inflate our layout, which is r dot layout dot student. Okay, second part, which is view group root. Here our parameter view group called parent. Okay, and number 3 boolean. If we have a root, we don't have root. This is our inflator. We have our view. Okay. Second, we will define a class, a static class called view holder. Here we have our student attributes, which is image view, call it student image. Okay, and the 3 strings student first name and student last and student address. Your last indicator. And in our method we will define and initialize an instance of this class. Let us just step by step, and you will see it's very simple steps. Okay, and we have view holder. So we have view holder instance called view holder, which is equal new view holder. Okay, and we define each element, each variable in this instance view holder dot student image equal r dot IDE dot, here our image view called image view IDE. Okay, and view holder dot first name equal converter view dot find per IDE find view by IDE r dot IDE dot, we call it first text. Okay, this type text view, sorry, text, we define variable of text view. Okay, copy and paste and change values. Here we define all our variables. We need to implement our view. Okay, then we bind this view into our layout. Converter dot set tag just with this methods view folder and return convert view. Last thing, we need to assign values for each element, image and first name and last name and address according to position of each student in our list. Here is our code. View holder, sorry. View holder to set image resource. Get our student from our list dot get photo and first name text equal to our student position of our list dot get and so on. And before we leave our adapter, we need to add another line in our constructor, which is layout equal, just initialize our layout context of get service system service, our layout inflator service. We have finished task number 5. Last task number 6, fill our list view main activity. Task number 6, fill our list view activity. So in main activity, let us first in our activity main layout add list view. Okay, so our layout and in our activity main layout, here our list view, just add an ID. Okay, call it list underscore view. Okay, so our design like that. In our main activity, we define list view variable. List view, call it list, so call it list view, and we define an student adapter, call it student adapter. In onCreate method, we need to initialize our variables. So list view equal view find view by IDE r dot IDE dot list view. Okay, and our student adapter equal new student adapter. Here we have two inputs, our student list and our context. Here our first context, get application context, and our list, which is my student list, and third step, ListView dot set adapter student adapter. Finished. Task 6 finished. Let us test our application. As you can see, there is an error. Let us read it. Let us see which error. Open logcat and error inflating, unable to inflate image view. If you face this error, just change view from Android to project and go to our resource, and here in Drupal version 24, cut our image and paste it in the main Drupal folders. Okay, synchronize again. Okay, and run in our tablet. As you can see, everything is okay, but we have a problem. When we click in any item list, nothing happens. We want to implement on-click item listener. If we click in any item, we want to open a details page. This is the final task we will implement. So in our package, right click, create class, name it details activity. Okay, and in our layout, create new layout called small details, and we need linear. Say relative linear layout. Okay, vertical. Okay, we need image view. Just drag image view here and choose student 1 and from our project. Okay, and we need text view for address, for first name, and the text view for last name, and the text. Okay, just zoom it. Here is our details. It's okay, you can redesign your layout. Okay, just we need to change our IDE first, say first, okay, and this last, no text, last, and last one, other. No, address, okay, and the first one, say photo, call it photo, okay, and let us in our main activity implement our on-click listener. So ListView dot set on item click listener. Okay, new adapter on item click listener. Here we need if when we click on any item in the list, we want to initialize and define an intent, take the position value, and go to the details activities. So we will define and initialize intent as follow: final intent call it intent equal new. Here we need two value view dot context. So to get context, and the other value, the other page, which is details activity, details class, details activity dot class, and intent dot put extra. We need to pass our position value. We need key, say it key 1, and a value position. Okay, and start activity intent. Okay, very simple. Save. In our details activity on create method, set content view r dot layout dot details. Okay, to extract position value, define and initialize bundle equal bundle equal get intent dot get extra. Okay, and integer position equal our bundle dot get integer. String key 1. Okay, comma initial value 0. here we have to initialize instance of our main activity. Main activity, call it main activity equal new main activity class. Okay, our list data, we have image view, image view, call it image. Okay, and 3 text view, call it if. Okay, so if and L and address. Okay, call it first and last and address. And here we find view by the IDE. Okay, r dot IDE dot what photo. I think we find that photo is a check text. Yes, photo. First equal find view by the E r dot IDE dot first. Okay, and the last equal find view by IDE r dot IDE, sorry, dot IDE dot last, and address equal find view by IDE r dot IDE dot address. Let's check again. ID photo first, last, okay, and address. Okay, so our instance. So we can use codes from student adapter here. Just copy this codes, copy and paste here, and just change here. Save it and let us test our code. Before testing our apps, we have to add our details activity in our manifest file. So here, open manifest file, and here we need to add activity. Activity, call it dot details activity. Okay. Save it and test our app. Just resynchronize again. Play, install our app. And as you can see, everything is okay. Okay, we press on first, second item, third item. Brilliant, very good. Okay, so nice. Thanks for watching.